Hi YouTube. Um, so today I'm making baked eggs.
Far from
I'm too close to it, damn it. Okay, there's more stuff in the table. So this is my coffee. Keeps me alive very much. And before I make the prepared garlic and onions, I thought I would do the base of the baked eggs first, because this one we need to cook into the oven, bake into the oven basically. So first we'll need some butter. Any butter will do. This is what I have in my refrigerator. So cut a little piece of butter, put it in your oven, whatever it's called. Just put it in your bowl that you can bake on, and then add some milk. Just be sure to cover the whole, if you can see it, just an even, pretty much even amount of milk. Okay. Now if you're lactose intolerant, you can use soy milk or any milk that you can use. Wrap the butter in plastic bag and put it back to the fridge so it doesn't crust. So now we'll put this in the oven. Here's my oven right here, my new oven with pans on it. First we'll preheat the oven. So the oven's preheating, so we have our base prepared. So now we can start with some of the garnishings. So we'll start with the garlic. People say they're not supposed, this is not the correct way, but this is how I do it. I'm strong enough to do it. Put the garlic on the chopping board and just press on it. And take the peel off. There's no really specific amount to use. Just if you like garlic, you can put a lot of garlic. If you like a lot of onions, you can put a lot of onions. If you like wine, you can put alcohol. Never tried alcohol with eggs, so I'm not sure how that will turn out. So what we're doing here is what we're going to be sprinkling on the baked eggs on top. Now I'm from the Philippines. We always use garlic and onion, and pretty much a lot of stuff. So I don't mind using them as a substitute for the original ingredients. Then we'll just cut them up very nicely, small and nicely. I'm actually using, I don't know what knife this is. Well, this is not a cutting knife, this is a steak knife, I believe, but I already have it out here, so why not? So, there. I don't usually do the bear claw, so I'm not a fast cutter. Not really a fast cutter. I don't cut stuff that fast, so I can actually I can really see what I'm cutting, so I'm not afraid I'm going to cut myself. So there we have our garlic on the side. Now we're going to do our onions. I believe they call this scallions and not onions. They're the same thing. So cut those. The oven should be hot enough. So we'll put our butter and milk mixture into the oven until the milk is bubbly. We'll let that cook in there for a while. And then we'll continue with the other ingredients that we have. I can smell these onions, but it's not that strong for me to start crying. So chop and dice our onions. Not sure how this is going to turn out, but it should be safe, I guess. So we'll see how it goes. when you're cooking for yourself, there's no really wrong or right way of cutting stuff. Because you're only cooking for yourself, so you only know what you're doing. You're the only ones who know what happened. Next, I need a bowl. We're gonna start grate some cheese. I have 2 cheese here in my fridge. Cheddar cheese and a vintage cheese. So we'll start grating some cheese. I have this very neat tool. It's kind of like a peeler, but it's actually a grater. It's a grater on one side and a peeler on the other, which is very nice. So we'll take our cheddar out. As I said, there's no really specific amount. Just do as much as you want. Put as much as you want. Cheese. See that? See. Cheddar cheese. Then we'll put some aged cheese. This is actually vintage cheddar cheese. So we have 2 kinds of cheddar cheese. This cheese I kind of find, I wasn't really sure when I bought this cheese, but I'm not a cheese expert. But then when I started using it, it really has that very rich aroma to it and taste. So when I bought it, I was kind of like very, thought process was, I want to get something affordable, but also a bit exotic. I didn't want to be too experimental because I'm not really a chef, not really a cook. So just for experiment, try out this one, which turned out to be great. So I'm happy with it. Should be enough. Should be enough cheese. Then we're going to put the garlic and the onion into the cheese mixture. Toss it around. Now I'm going to add some cilantro onto our cheese mix to give it some flavor and color. Just toss it around. Now this would go on top of our baked eggs. At the moment I only have one camera set up. We're doing a trial run, I guess, a pilot run. I'll set up my GoPro maybe in the later episodes so you can see what I'm doing. But I guess I'm doing the low budget version for now, which is just the front camera. Voila! The table's clean. So voila! Table's clean. So now we're going to break the eggs into a bowl so we can pour it into the other pot later. One swish. Three eggs. So we have our eggs. Cheese mixture. Now we're just waiting for our buttermilk to be ready. So our buttermilk is ready. Take it out. So there's our buttermilk. See, it's bubbly and there's brown bits on it. So it's ready. We're going to take it out and we're going to pour our eggs and continue with the baked eggs. Hello. Okay. So now we have our buttermilk here ready. Pour our eggs in. Just pour them in. Then we'll put our cheese mixture on top. Just make sure it's evenly spread out through the whole thing. And some salt and pepper. Be careful because it's very hot. Okay, so we'll wait for it to get ready and so this is the mixture. You see the cheese mixture on top, the eggs, you can see the yolk over here, and the buttermilk. So now we're going to put it into the oven and bake it until it's cooked. Okay, so our baked eggs should be done, so we're gonna take it out. It passed about 5-6 minutes, and it will continue to cook once we take it out of the oven, because the container is very hot. The bowl I put it on is very hot, so we're gonna take it out and leave it to sit for a while. Ooh, there it is. What's that? That's baked eggs. Can you see that? It's boiling. Look at that. You can really smell the herb, the cilantro. Very nice. You can smell that cilantro taste to it. So it's ready. See the boiling from the buttermilk we did. Now we cook the eggs. So we'll take it out. So there we have it. My baked eggs. Really smells like cheese. Really smells like cheese. Around the house, you can see the onion bits, pepper, some of the cilantro, burnt cheese. Wow. So here's the baked eggs, and we're going to try to cut it in. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. See the egg, the yolk. Ooh. Whole yolk. See the egg as well. See? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Very nice. So there you have it, baked eggs. Watch out, subscribe to the Cholesterol Mind channel for more videos. Check out our other videos as well. So have fun. Coffee.
Oink, oink.